Hello guys, in this video we try to speak about Planet Fitness stock, so stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Adhere. I am your teacher and coach. Understand that one of my students sent me that he bought Planet Fitness and he is making a lot of money from it, and now he wants to exit and he asked me when. This is on my live chat on Friday. So I have seen long time ago Planet Fitness when it was just begin as an IPO, but I did not put it in any portfolio because I didn't follow like IPOs. So I'm telling you the truth. IPOs are very dangerous stocks, but if you succeed in one, believe it or not, you will have the jackpot. Okay? For real. I have seen stocks like Square, for example. So I'm speaking just about Square and then we go to Planet Fitness. Square, it was $10 in 6 or 8 months. It goes to $100. Okay? And Square, I know it before because I know that the people begin to use Square before it becomes IPO. I know it. I know this this device that it is used for anyone who wants to do business outside. For example, if you don't want to accept cash from your customers outside, you sell, for example, your car, you can use this device and you accept credit card. Credit cards, you put a device into your cell phone and then you accept the payment. Now, this stock, I didn't buy it. It has been doing so good. Now, let's go now to Planet Fitness. Now, Planet Fitness, most of the people, they know about it. It's just a gym, a 24-hour gym, and it's not that big one. It's not that big, but it succeeded into making money and becoming an IPO. Now, this student, when we are talking, he told me on Friday, last Friday on the live session, that I should look at a PL something. And when I look at it, oh, I said, man, this is Planet Fitness. I know about it because I know the ticker. It means most of the time I see the symbol, I forgot about the name. Most of the time. I don't pay attention to the names. And then I will show you the chart to see what's going on here. So, PLNT, it's an IPO, Planet Fitness. Now it is $78. But look how much it was before. It was only about $20 on May 2017. So for 2 years, from 20, it is now 78. Let's say it's 400% in 2 years. It means 200% in 1 year. Okay, and you can see that it is consistent, except for last year where we have the trouble, and then you see that, as you can see here, 26 December is here that I told you about, and you see that it goes up, then it stays accumulation, and then we have the big trend. Okay, so some of these companies, they are very famous. Okay, they are very successful, and look at the beginning. Now, what did I tell you about the beginning? The beginning, it means the market begin with $20. It didn't go that much down. It stays $20, some cents up and down, and then we have the big trend. Okay, this is what I like in IPOs. It means from the beginning it is strong. Okay, so let's go back. So as I told you, try to keep a portfolio of new IPOs. Okay, you can, for example, just check stock screener with IPOs. You can use finviz.com, and you can use I can show you if you want to here. For those people who don't know, I can show you Finviz as a stock screener, and they show you. Okay, I will show you how to find. Okay, so here is Finviz. Finviz is just a stock screener. Okay, now you can go to the screener here, and all these are criteria. Okay, so here IPO date, you can check yesterday, in the last month, in the last week, or last month, last quarter, last year. For example, last year, you click that. Now you will find hundreds, because you see here is 20 and here is 20. Okay, 20 by 20 is 400. So we have a lot of stocks. Now if you want to know my 2 criteria to get only the stocks for the day that are good, you can check training level 2, or you can send me an email, or you go to training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener. Okay, so this in order to give you guys only the few stocks, IPOs that are heading, they are good to buy today. Now if you don't want to, you can make a list and follow them. Okay, just follow them. Now especially companies that are big, that you know. Sometimes you know companies. Now in the future, for example, we have Lyft, we have Uber, we have other companies that have come. There are new companies that analysts speak about. They are coming. You can see what we call IPO calendar with Nasdaq or with Yahoo. They will give you all the companies that they be an IPO each day, and they give you the past ones and the new ones. Okay, so let's check if I can find you the website, just to let you know how to do it. Okay, so you can see here Nasdaq. You see, for example, Nasdaq.com, and you see the upcoming IPOs, May 2019 upcoming IPOs, and you just look at these companies, and if you can put the ticker into your portfolio, the one that you like or that you are following. For example, you can check by sector or by industry or whatever you want, and you just continue. Okay, so and they tell you how much it will be costing to you. This is just general until they are trading, because this is just an approximate price: 14 to 16, 15 to 17, $45, $10, but we don't know, okay, until, and they tell you everything about how many shares to be sold. Some are big, like this Avantor, 144 million, but this is only 11 million. So this company, Fastly Inc., is a small compared to this one, 144. Uber has already gone 180 million shares sold, and it has been, for example, you can check now, you can check Uber, you can check SONM, which is, you can check HSACU, DEACU, which is on the 10. All these on the 10, they have been already in the stock market. PSCL, JFIN, APLT, okay? So you can see them, and those that are in the future, 17 May, 16 May, 15 May, 14 May, this will be in the future. But all these have been into the stock market and they are trading. So you just check. Maybe you can find one that it is serious and you can make a lot of money. Understand that this is a continuous job for you. You don't need to check on in the day. No, at least at night you make 20 or 30 or 50, and you don't trade at all. You only trade IPOs. It means you just follow the momentum of IPOs. If you don't know how to see the criteria from FinViz, please take training level 2. I will show you. It's very simple. It's very simple. So this is my website, Djellala.net. You go down, you go to training level 2. Okay, so this is training level 2 by video. It will just show you how to search for stocks using stock screener, and you can use with IPO 6 months or 3 months or 1 year, whatever you want, or even the old IPOs. Okay, because IPOs, it doesn't mean 1 month or 2 or 3. It could be anything. Now understand that IPO, it's not only 1 day or 1 month or 6 months and then we call them IPOs. No. Companies that are 5 years, 10 years, 7 years, 6 years, they are just new. And sometimes at the beginning, the investors, they don't want to buy because they don't see money. They don't see earnings. They don't see analysts speak good about it. Like Facebook. Facebook, 6 months, the first 6 months, analysts were against it, so the stock was being going down. Why? Because all the investors, they don't like it. Because they say, oh, Facebook, it doesn't make earnings, it is a failure, no one will buy Facebook, Facebook is big in users, but the money, there is no money, so why we should buy something that doesn't grow up, doesn't grow, okay? But later, after 6 months, after the earnings, they begin to see Facebook having earnings, having gap ups, and then they understand that it is the one that they should buy. So people begin to buy, even after 6 months. So I'm telling you, try to be patient. Try not just to, you do something once or twice or thrice, you say, okay, I lost money here and there, okay, I just give up. This stock market is not for me. No. It's just you are not in the right stock. When you are in the right stock and you see the money, then you get addicted to the stock market. Believe it or not. Why these billions of people are in stock market? Because one day they have seen money. That's why they know they could see money in the future. Okay? So thank you very much, and see you next time.